In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete a group text conversation on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Messages app and then search for a group chat we would like to delete. Now I'm gonna show you a couple of different ways how we can delete it, and the first and the easiest is just swipe to the left on a group chat you wanna delete and then tap right here at this trash bin icon to delete it from that list. Another way is to tap at this three dots button first, hit Add Select Messages. That's how we can delete several conversations, including single conversations and group conversations at once. We just need to tap at conversations we would like to delete to select them, and then hit Add Delete and Delete to confirm. Now guys, if you just want to hide a conversation from this list, that's enough, but if the conversation contains information that no one should have access to, you should know that all deleted conversations, including group chats, are stored on your iPhone for 30 days by default, and if you want, you can manually delete them. To do that, you need to tap right here to Filters, and then select Recently Deleted. That's where we can find all the text conversations, including our group chat that we have deleted in the last 30 days, and from here we can select one or several conversations and then we can recover them by hitting right here. So that's how we can move them back to our main Messages conversations list. And also, if we hit Add Delete, we can permanently delete them even from here. To continue, I'm gonna tap Add Delete and then Delete to confirm it. Once it is done, we can go back to our messages. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.